And welcome! Today we are going to do a step-by-step training for the RVOC deployment. I'll walk you through the installation process, from downloading the installer package to deploying the Intercom in the cloud and logging in for the very first time. First, we need to download the RVOC engine installer package from RVOC Elevate. Open your browser and go to cloud.rtsintercoms.com. Log in. If you have not set up an account, please check out the video linked in the description below, RVOC Explained. Once you're on the RVOC Elevate portal, navigate to the Downloads section. For this example, we will deploy the standard RVOC. Click the drop-down arrow next to the latest RVOC engine package. Select Standard, then click on the download icon. This will download the installer package to your computer. For the RVOC deployment, the cloud folder is used. Other folders in the download package have the corresponding software and firmware updates for relevant hardware and software products. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console and navigate to the VPC service in your chosen region. For this demo, we'll use the standard VPC mode, which includes one public and one private subnet in a single availability zone. Click Create VPC. Choose VPC and more. Enter a VPC name and CIDR block. Select one availability zone, one public subnet, and one private subnet. Create a NAT gateway and the S3 VPC endpoint to ensure internet connectivity for private resources. Review and click Create VPC. Wait until the workflow completes. Your VPC is now ready to be used for deploying the RVOC engine. Keep in mind that VPC components may generate costs even if idle. Next, let's set up an Amazon S3 bucket to host the RVOC engine installer package. This should be in the same AWS region where you plan to deploy the engine. Navigate to Amazon S3. Click Create Bucket. Provide a globally unique name for the bucket. Keep all default settings and click Create Bucket. Once the bucket is created, open it and upload the installer files. Next, let's deploy the Intercom in the cloud. Navigate to CloudFormation. Click on Create Stack. Under Specify Template, choose Upload a Template File, then click Choose File and select the JSON file we just downloaded. Click Next to continue. You can specify a stack name. We recommend keeping the stack names short and to use dashes between words. Enter the S3 bucket name. The asset bucket key will be prefix S3:// followed by the S3 bucket name. The maximum number of channels for your RVOC depends on the deployment type. In a standalone setup, it's the total number of key panels, edge devices, and RVON audio tie lines combined. In a hybrid setup, it's the total number of key panels, edge devices, RVON IFL tie lines, and the on-prem Odin system size. Specify the public and private subnet ID. Find the VPC we created. Select an availability zone. For this example, we will leave everything else as default. Click Next to continue. Review the configuration option, then click Next, then Submit. It takes about 10 minutes for it to create. Once everything is created, we can log into Intercom for the first time. After your stack is created, click on Outputs. You will find two URLs. The first URL is for you as an admin. The second URL is for a mobile user to log in. Let's click on the first one and the browser will open the Setup Wizard page for you. Fill in all of the fields. Click Next. Use the login and password you just created and click Next. Here is where you can import your license. For more information on requesting a license, watch our video RVOC Explained, which is linked in the description below. Your RVOC engine is now successfully deployed and ready for configuration. In this training, you learned downloading the installer package, setting up AWS VPC and S3 bucket, deploying the CloudFormation stack, and logging into the RVOC engine for the first time. Once the system is deployed, you can proceed to license pairing, user management, and audio configuration to tailor the intercom to your production environment. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.